Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Bissell Revolution Pet Pro carpet cleaner. Here's everything that comes in the box. Now we do have a little bit of assembly. So we have to install the handle, we have to install this little bracket, and we have to install this screw. So make sure you can find this screw. So find the handle and you're going to insert it right here until you hear a little click. So make sure it's down all the way. Now we got to put this bracket in. It's got this little pin here that's going to go right there, and then that screw is going to go through that. So we put it on here, and these got little tabs here on both sides. It can be a little tricky getting this in, but there I got one side in, that's in its spot. And now you just got to snap the other side in. There, both sides are snapped in. Now we're going to put the screw. All right, let's screw it down. All right. Once that's installed, now you can wrap the cord. The cord goes around this. They call that like the carrying handle. It's going to go around here and around there. You can wrap the cord up now. Okay, so the dirty water tank goes right here. You're simply going to put it in like this and snap it closed. Now we can put the clean water tank on. There's like a little track here for it to slide down. Just slide down like there. You can put the solution in. Just remove this cap right here, and this is where you put the water and solution. Now it does have a line for water, and then from here to there, you're going to add the formula. Now it does say you can add warm tap water to this, maximum 140 degrees. So on the right hand side here, we've got a switch. We can do max clean, deep clean, or express. Now up here on the handle, this is when we pull this trigger, we get solution, comes out the bottom here, and here's where we turn it on and off. That's where you turn the clean shot pre-treat on and off. On this other side here, is a power button. That's where you're going to turn it on and off. Here's everything else that comes in the box. I love that it comes with this hose. We can attach the hose to the machine and do some cleaning. This is for the other end of the hose. So if we got like a little spot we need to clean, we can press the trigger. We can change that out. We also have this tool here called the 2-in-1 Pet Upholstery Tool. We can put it in. All the mess is going to stay right here when we're all done. This is for getting dry crumbs off first. So this area here is suction, and you can suck up the dry area first. Then you want to see it says dry, then move it down to wet. And now when I spray the trigger, I'm going to get solution out, and I got suction for the normal spot cleaner. Comes with a little tool for cleaning out the vacuum. I really like that it comes with this vented bag. The vented bag you can put, even if your tools are wet, you can put them in here and they'll dry. It does come with this nice user manual, and it talks about how to put it together, how to use it. So it does come with a really nice user manual. Okay, so if you want to clean a little spot with the hose, you're going to lift this attachment hose cover up. Then you're going to put this like right here. And that's where the solution is going to come up through the hose, and then you also have suction. When you're ready, you can take it off. We do have this little clean shot where some solution can come out. We're going to press these right here. We can release this whole tray. It's best if you kind of just put it there and grab on the sides. Push down and lift this whole thing up. I like that I can get this all nice and clean. I can take this over the sink, get it all nice and clean. Here's my rollers. Now you can take this apart, but for normal operation, you're not going to take this apart. We've got a belt over here. We got some screws. There's what that looks like. And here's the other side. Okay, so when you're ready, you're just simply going to put it right here and snap it into place. Here's what the bottom of the machine looks like. Now it does say it's 120 volts, 60 hertz, 6.3 amps. This is the unboxing and how to put it together. I hope my video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.